Hello, everyone. Make sure you have Follow Presenter turned on, and welcome to Day 4 of the FME Form Basic course. Once again, I'm Ryan. I'm joined today by Sam and Sarah, who will be helping with any questions you have as we go through the training. Just realized I got to put into the chat the notification to refresh your browser tab in case you lose audio. It does happen every now and then. And just a reminder, this is all part of the FME Form Basic Learning Path in the FME Academy. And I'll quickly grab the link to the current lesson. I'd already posted that once, but it's probably getting lost in the chat there, so that'll make it a little bit easier to find right now. Today, we're going to be covering join tables and document your workspace.